Not feeling much better today. Anyway, we got a detail to do. So, let's go take a look at it. Let's see if I can get it in the shot. This is a 2000 GMC 1500. It's got a lot of issues, but it's a good running pickup, I can tell you that. That's going to be coming off. I do not clean the beds, I just sweep them out. I've had a few that I've had to do something with, but not too many. But I just sweep them out. I don't get crazy with them because they're going to be exposed again to the elements. You know what I mean? This is for a different seller today. Gonna get it all cleaned out. Yikes. I'm actually thinking about blowing it out. And then maybe getting the steamer after it. And this is one of those situations where sometimes you have to decide to do your vacuuming first. Well, that's a heck of a place for trash. This is going to be a little different, because I'm going to have to climb up in here. So after I get things kind of blown, I think what I might do is take care of the back first. It's just an old pickup. Had to fight with the third door. A key. But I do think I'll get back here. The glory about these GMCs and Chevys is this back seat does lift up. So I'll be able to get to the back the back wall. Oh. Beat the crap out of somebody with that. Now find me a beating stick. Screw with me now. Must have had a seat cover on it. Left fuzzies. Alrighty guys, let's get started with the day. I'm done playing. I don't know what this is. A little trash can. Interesting. I could use that.
there's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would.
Alrighty, friends. So I took the pickup down to the car wash and got some of that hard stuff off of it. And then I did a quick little rinseless on it. And I cleaned up the tires and wheels the best that I could. Those wheels really were not in the best of shape. But I got it looking much, much better. And the interior actually turned out pretty well considering its age and the amount of dirt that had built up. Even the steamer couldn't break through some of it. So I really worked on a few things. There was like some kind of paper or something, and it was glued to the inside pocket on the driver door. The carpet on the driver floorboard was trashed. But I did my very best to get this vehicle looking good. And I think it actually cleaned up pretty well. So thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.